you can have the high-quality Mezcool projection alarm clock with built-in AM/FM radio. The sleek 180-degree swivel lens projects crystal clear time onto your walls and ceiling. The projected image is reversible, and there is also a lens for precision focusing. The AM/FM tuner lets you choose a wide range of free programming with easy presets for quick access to 10 AM and 10 FM stations of your choice. Ultra-large LED display is easy to read and has brightness settings to adjust to your personal preference. This amazing digital alarm clock with radio and projector features convenient dual alarms for better waking. Wake to a traditional incremental buzzer or a radio station. This alarm clock has 2 independent alarm settings, one for a husband and one for the wife. We also provide a USB charging port to charge phones and tablets, and a AAA battery backup makes sure your settings are safe in the event of a power outage. We are so sure that you will love our projection alarm clock that we offer a 1-year replacement guarantee, 3 months full refund guarantee, and 18 months extended warranty period.
Start your mornings off right with the Electrohome. This full-featured clock brings you convenience and reliability every morning when you need it most. With swivel time projection, this clock makes for easy, stress-free viewing. All you have to do is open your eyes. And with battery backup, this clock automatically sets the time and restores alarm settings after power loss. We've included all the features you need to get your day started right with Electrohome.